Subscribe and like this video on 3 seconds, to make this angry dog cheerful. 3, 2, 1.
Aww. Are you kidding me?
Hey, I used to love cats until I met this little f***er. No!
One blanket, 2 blankets. Good morning.
Bath time?
Save yourself! Save yourself!
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then...
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Don't cross this line with your hand.
Stop. You left one right here. Good. Whoa. Wait.
So Daryl's out here and I gotta go chase his ass.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but you don't want that, and here's why. It also fucks the air.
Are you okay? Whoa, that was quite the little growl.
Hello? What? Chill. Scary. Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you? Yeah, what are you? Bad.
No.